Help you with your reading. Milo, go for it. Take care of you. They clean your rooms. Wow, that's a good job. sort of going. You have to take care of mummies, you're absolutely right. Come on. Take care of nanas as well. Get the last two. They clean your bed? Do they? Wow, your mum's really good. And take it to school. Mummies are really important. Mummies are really important. And we need to make sure that this weekend especially, that we remember our mums, and we maybe tell them on Sunday how much we love them and how much we look after them, and how much we can do for them. You might even, if you've got somebody else in your house that can help you, you might even get a breakfast prepared for mum. I know my wife used to love it when my children turned up with a nice piece of toast, thickly covered in jam that was so sweet, it was inedible. But as a mum, she sat there and stoically still ate it. With a nice cup of tea that was so sweet, it was undrinkable, but she still drank it. Because that's a showing how wonderful your mums are. Make sure you treat them kindly and nicely, especially on Sunday. Parents, thank you so much for coming in. You will have a chance to see the hearts that they've made and have a proper read of them. And I'm sure you'll want to give them lots of hugs and cuddles. Year 1, for your first on your own class assembly, you did superbly. It's really hard to get your voice from there all the way to the back. Really hard. You did so well. Please give them a big round of applause.